Hello, it's Mr. Smith, and today we're going to look at how to tune your ukulele. So the ukulele has 4 strings. Starting from the top, we've got G, C, E, and A. So that's G, C, E, A. You can tune using a keyboard or using a tuner. It's a tuner. So we'll look at the keyboard first. So the C on your ukulele, G, C, that's middle C on the keyboard or the piano. So middle C, I'll just turn the camera around to show you. Middle C is in the middle of the keyboard, and that's the C that's on your ukulele. So that helps. Look for the middle C and you know that that's the C of your ukulele. The G is usually the higher. You can get ukuleles with a low G. Usually they're high G. So that's G, C, E, and A. Now, to adjust the note, you turn the tuning peg. So if the note is too low, you turn the peg to tighten the string. So you turn it anti-clockwise. But if you're doing it by ear, you can hear whether it's getting higher. So if the note's too low, you turn it so it's getting higher. If it's too high, turn it so it goes lower. And you do it one string at a time. Sounds okay? Sounds a bit high, so we turn it down. E. Sounds okay? A. Sounds a little bit high, so we turn it down a little touch. So that's tuning from a keyboard using your ear. You can buy a tuner, which is here. You can buy them online. You clip it on the end of the tune of your ukulele, on the end of the head. This is the head, this is the neck, this is the body. So you clip it on the end. There are different settings. You'd set it to either one that says ukulele or the one that says chromatic, CHRO, which would mean it will tell you the note that's played. There's a display on it. You turn it on, clip it on, and then you play the string. I think I've just turned that off. Let's turn it on. There we go. Play the string. Now the line below, it's giving me the letter G in it. The line below means it's a little bit low, the note, so it needs to be a bit higher. So you turn the tuning peg so the note goes higher, and when it's right, it points at it. So there's no, if it's too low, there's lines below. If it's too high, there's lines above. If it's right, there's arrows pointing at the letter. So that's G, C, it's got arrows just about, saying a little high maybe, but yeah. There's the arrows which show you the note's right, and then E, the note is right, and A, the note is right. Which shows my ear from tuning from the keyboard was okay. So there we go again. G, C, E, and A. So I'll give you those notes as a reference so you can use them. G, and C, E, third string, and finally the 4th string, A. There you are, how to tune your ukulele. Thank you very much. See you next time.